Good morning. 7 a.m. update for Hurricane Michael here on the east end and the north side of Dauphin Island, Alabama. Michael has strengthened all night long. The pressure has dropped to 933 millibars, which means it is intensifying, and this one is going to be a game changer. Hopefully everyone to my east, starting in Pensacola to Apalachicola, is prepared for this one. I'm actually having a lot of wind pick up on the east side of Dauphin Island now. I'll do a video in the yard of that, but look at the winds on this storm. I hope that everyone understands the impacts of a storm like this. Again, I'm where the blue circle is. That's Dauphin Island. So any westerly wobble, it's so close, can cause a lot of destruction, even right here. But this storm is going to devastate probably Destin or Panama City or Apalachicola. Good morning, everyone. Hopefully everyone is getting prepared for the landfall and arrival of Hurricane Michael. It is October the 10th, 2018, and I am here on Dauphin Island, Alabama. So this storm has become a real powerful storm. Number one, packing 145 mile-an-hour winds. That is unheard of for October. I'm out here on the bay side of Dauphin Island, or on the north side. There's a bird over here that wants to say good morning. So here's the lucky bird that always comes and hangs out in the morning. So I don't know if you can hear me very well, but the latest update just came out, and the storm is still tracking to the north at 13 miles per hour. The barometric pressure has dropped to 933 millibars. This storm will be devastating. I don't know what all we will see here in Dauphin Island. Again, this is my backyard. Normally that bulkhead is about 2 feet above the water. So I'm beginning to have waves break in my yard. And again, we are on the west side of this storm, but I have not seen this storm jog to the east yet. I saw it kind of veer for a second early this morning, but it remained on a northern path. So Pensacola, Destin, be careful with this one. It's definitely picking up here in Dauphin Island. Again, I don't know if I expect too much rain out of this storm here. I think in Dauphin Island, this is about the extent we will get, and I may be wrong. But the western side and the left side of these storms is not as you are usually as big or packing as much punch as the eastern side, if you will be on that western side. But I do plan to get some squalls, some nice wind. It's already picking up. We'll do a quick walk around. So again, these bulkheads are usually way above water, for sure. So that's the ground, house up there. So it's for sure picking up. I would say probably right now 30 knots, 35 mile-an-hour winds here on the east side of Dauphin Island. You can see how much the water has come up just since I've been out here in the past couple of minutes. Gotta pay homage to the bird. He's always out here to meet me during these storms. It's uncanny. Every time there's a storm, this bird shows up. It stands in the yard. We do the weather. So big shout out to the bird right there. All right. So those of you on the Florida Panhandle, wish you all the best during this storm. This storm is going to be a game changer. 145 mile-an-hour winds on that right front quadrant. I think it's just going to be an absolutely catastrophic storm. Be safe. This is definitely not one of those storms where I would be out in and doing the weather. And I hope the best for everyone involved in this storm. I'll do another update shortly, but again, the pressure is dropping, which means wind speed increases. As that pressure continues to drop, it may get to a Category 5. It is up to 145 mile an hour winds. I don't think at this point Category 4 or 5 will make or break what happens constructively, but I think it will just make a mark in the history books being labeled a Category 5. But this storm is going to be ferocious. Incredibly big storm. Be careful. It still could wobble to the west. If it does wobble to the west, even slightly, we could get really bad weather here as well. I didn't think it would be this windy or have this much surge here this morning, honestly. I thought it would be lower, but it's more intense than it was last night, and the water is much, much higher. So hey, click a like below, share the video, comments, questions. I'll be here throughout this event today. And again, hopefully everybody in the Florida Panhandle is safe and prepared for this one. All right, here we go. Don't count out that western wobble. If you are in Gulf Shores, Orange Beach, Pensacola, maybe even here in Dauphin Island, if it were to wobble at all to the west, it could get a lot worse here. Be safe, everyone, and I'll see you in a little while. I had to get the trash cans out front. They would have blown down the street. So that's my broad spectrum of what it looks like 360 degrees around me. So hey, stay tuned, and best of luck to all those to the east of us here in Dauphin Island. All right, just to reiterate, if you are on the Florida Panhandle, stay put at this point. Don't try to get out. It's definitely coming ashore. The blue line is something I drew on there as what the actual predicted trajectory is from this point forward. If it maintains that kind of curve off to the east, then this is about as bad as it'll get here for us in Dauphin Island. If it continues due north, though, I'll be back with some intense weather updates, I can promise you. So I'll see how the day progresses, but in the meantime, I think the focus needs to be on those in the Florida Panhandle. The best of luck there to everybody, and again, I'll put out another video if anything changes here for the worse. For now, take care, everyone, especially there in Florida. Up into Georgia and even North Carolina, they don't need any more moisture.